welcome back to my channel. So I think I missed last week for posting, but I do have two videos ready to be posted, so they are scheduled for the next following weeks. So in this video anyway, I'm quite proud of it because it's actually a jumper that I've made from scratch. So I've just like put my own patterns together and I managed to make it. Maybe not the material that I would usually wear, well, the material I would wear, but not the fabric pattern. It's quite, I want to say it's retro because of the colours in it, but it's not really. Basically it's just pink flamingos all over the jumper. But I quite like it, but I don't think I'd wear it out. Other than that, the pattern of the actual jumper I love, and if I had another material that was fluffy, I would definitely wear it out, I think. But yeah, this one I just wear as like a little pyjama top, let's say. But anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and let's get to it! really hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, then please give it a like and subscribe down below, and I will see you in my next one.